Focus. Easy to say, but hard to do. Am I right or wrong? Often you lose focus because of the people around you and the burdens you carry. These distractions drain your energy and make it hard to accomplish your goals. Learning to say no to distractions, including needy individuals, is crucial. The world cares about you when you start caring about yourself. There will be countless opportunities to feel discouraged, lose passion, and believe it's not meant to be. But to reach your destiny, you need a determined mindset. If you give up after the first, 5th, or even 30th attempt, it means you didn't want it badly enough. You must be relentless in your pursuit. Don't be swayed by how impossible it seems, how long it takes, or by others saying no. Your attitude should be, I will believe for as long as it takes. I won't accept no for an answer. I won't settle for mediocrity. I will keep pursuing what's in my heart. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Write it down. Writing triggers thinking. Thinking creates images. And those images build a vision in your mind. Visionaries change the world. What keeps you competitive and on top is the ability to think and prepare mentally, repeatedly. The body has limitations, but the mind does not. We often focus on physical preparation and neglect the mental aspect. True preparation starts in the mind. If you're not mentally ready, you'll never be fully physically prepared. Imagine your future if you decide not to let fear stop you. Do whatever it takes, because if you don't, life will push you until you surrender. When you're young and make mistakes, don't let them eat you up. Everyone who has made it has made mistakes. Failure is a part of the journey to success. To hit the game-winning shot, you have to miss it first. The road to success is always under construction. It's never clear-cut. Successful people are those with a relentless attitude, who hang in through the tough times. Bad breaks will come, often just before a big breakthrough. Don't let a series of bad breaks stop you. My life and success serve as proof that you can stumble, fall, and still get back up again. Increasing your focus and ability to stay focused longer starts with clarity. The moment you focus on what you want to do, you begin to gather the energy to achieve it. You are your own hero, leader, and master. Idolizing others can make you lose sight of your own potential. When you mimic others, you lose yourself. A distracted person lacks energy. When it's time to focus, they find themselves drained. However, when you commit to one thing and set your mind, eyes, and hands to it, energy fills your life. Your concentration on a single goal energizes you and makes success feel possible. What's your target? Focus on it, and the energy will follow. Many of us look up to others who inevitably let us down because they are human. Placing people on pedestals can lead to disappointment. Holding yourself accountable and being your own hero keeps you focused on becoming the best version of yourself for others. The will is one of our higher faculties, along with perception, memory, intuition, and reason. Great achievers have developed their willpower and ability to focus. Excuses weigh you down. Imagine each excuse as an extra pound you're carrying. If you make 30 excuses in a month, you're carrying 30 extra pounds. It's harder to climb the ladder of success with all that weight. To develop focus, you can try exercises like concentrating on a candle flame. Sit opposite the flame and focus on it. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back. Developing this mental faculty will help you focus on anything you choose. By practicing focus, holding yourself accountable, and removing distractions, you enhance your ability to concentrate and maintain your energy. This mental discipline is key to achieving your goals and becoming the best version of yourself. Focus on one thing to the exclusion of all outside distractions. When you channel your consciousness like a laser on a single goal, it manifests in your life. This is how the mind works. Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. If you work hard on your job, you'll make a living. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. Work on yourself and develop the necessary qualities to become more valuable to the marketplace. Your whole life can transform. Promotions, money, and opportunities will come easily if you focus on the right things. Don't try to change external factors like the seed, soil, sunshine, or rain. Let the miracle of everything available work for you. Focus on your inner self, your philosophy, attitude, personality, language, and communication skills. Personal changes will lead to significant external changes. Be yourself, look in the mirror, and be comfortable with who you are. Don't worry if people think you're different or misunderstand you. Appreciate who you are. Someone's opinion of you is not your reality unless you believe it, and their judgment is not your truth unless you accept it. There's a reason you are who you are and do what you do. It's none of their business. Don't let others' hate stop you from loving yourself. Never defend your personality, apologize for who you are, or feel obligated to prove yourself to others. You owe no one an explanation. Don't let people make you feel uncomfortable about being comfortable in your own skin. You won't be truly happy until you embrace yourself and feel great about being you. Don't compromise yourself to fit others' opinions. Appreciate the person you are. The world will try to teach you to be everything but yourself, setting standards for beauty and success. Don't let them set standards for your life. Understand that at any given time, you have the power to choose. Focus on what you don't want, or focus on what you can do to create what you want. Life is a fight for territory, and if you stop fighting for what you want, what you don't want will take over. Your focus determines your reality. Embrace who you are. Work on yourself, and don't let distractions derail you from your goals. If you found this motivational content helpful, please like and subscribe for more inspiration to help you achieve your dreams. Keep pushing forward.